What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now I know I haven't caught fish in my past two videos, but today I'm gonna try my absolute best to catch fish. I'm not gonna upload this video if I don't catch any fish, so that's the main objective for today, is to catch fish. The only problem is that I only have about maybe an hour and a half to try and catch fish. I don't have much time. I'm on a time crunch today, but hopefully we can catch some fish. I'm gonna try and catch some spawning fish. That is the goal for today. Show y'all what a spawning fish looks like. I'm gonna try my absolute best to locate these fish, get them to eat, and hopefully land one. We'll see if we can make something happen. Let's get to it. All right, so if you're watching this video right now, I catch fish in this video. If you're not, then you're not watching it. I haven't fished because my car broke down and I think I got food poisoning or something. I have no idea, so I apologize for the late upload. I just wanted to say that, but I'm gonna try and catch some fish. I only have an hour, like I said, but I'm gonna try my best to see if I can locate some fish. Try and at least catch one fish. I lasted probably about 3 hours here last time, missed 2 fish, and I couldn't make it happen. So today, I hope it's different. I just want to catch a fish. I felt like I haven't caught a fish in a long time. Oh, that's a fish. Got one. Little dink, but hey, I'll take it. We caught a fish, everybody. Let's freaking go. We actually caught a fish. Oh my gosh, he's been hooked before. Look at that. Little dink, but hey, we caught him. Not a spawner. I'm hunting for spawning fish. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to catch spawning fish. Ran into a little one. Hey, I'll take it. I never fished this area. I decided to give it a shot. I always just skip this and move down the creek. I never give this area a shot, so decided to give it a few minutes, and sure enough, we caught a fish. Little fish, not a giant, but hey, I'll take it. Haven't caught a fish in a while. I do want to catch that spawning fish though. I think they're still spawning in this area. At the lake, I think they're starting to spawn. I haven't been there in a while, but gonna let this fish go. There he goes. So confused, but went back. Not bad. I will take it. I kind of felt that he was small just by the way he was biting, so I waited for a bit, hooked him just right. We landed him. Not a giant, but hey, we caught a fish. I feel like I haven't caught a fish in forever. I feel like it's been a minute. So first fish of the day. I still have time. Not sure we're gonna catch another one, but hey, I'll give it a shot. We'll see if we can land another one. All right, so right now I was explaining how I never give this area a shot, and my GoPro decided to bug out on me. Like I was saying, I never give this area a shot as far as fishing right here. I was just basically flipping right here. As you saw, I flipped right there, kind of going through these pads. This is kind of the deeper area. Maybe some of the fish would be hanging out in the deeper area, so I wanted to give it a shot. Sure enough, we ran into a fish. Wasn't a spawner, but hey, I'll take it. I'll gladly take that fish, but hopefully we can land another one. Like I said, I'm gonna give this spot another chance. I have 45 minutes. See if we can catch one. Why did that turtle just make that noise? I got that on camera. That was so weird. Let me know down in the comments if you ever heard a turtle make a noise like that. What in the world? Welcome back to another video featuring Train. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. I know I only caught one fish in this video, but like I said, I was on a time crunch. We still landed a fish. I'm gonna try and catch some spawning fish here in the near future. Hopefully I can do that. It's been pretty windy lately, so hopefully the wind calms down. I can get out there in my kayak, catch some spawning fish for y'all. I do want to try and catch at least one spawning fish. It is getting kind of late to catch spawning fish, but I'm gonna try and get out there as soon as I possibly can. Try and catch a spawning fish, but we landed one fish today. Hopefully I enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry for the late upload. If you have any suggestions for future videos, drop a comment down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.